You're not his match.
You don't know crap!
Barbarian Scot insulting Aurelian! Go to hell! Get him! He can cast both fire and wind magic at the same time.
Of course. My son isn't like that Lucian. He's got real talent.
So this is the mage you brag about. All show and no harm.
What happened? He's unharmed.
Your Majesty, his magical armor not only deflects casts, but also absorbs magic.
My son! So is this all you got? You'd better surrender now. I'll go! Tristan is a B-class mage. No one can resist his wind magic.
None of you can even fight! Who's next? Sure enough, you mages in Aurelian were born to rot at my feet. A pack of failures.
Why isn't Luciano stepping up yet?
Today, whoever best Prince Bjorn wins a king's ransom. 10,000 in gold, 1,000 bolts of the finest silk, 100 chests of rare treasure.
If even a B-class mage can't beat him, what's the point of us going up?
Even such reward can't get him to step up. What is he waiting for? Go. Don't embarrass Aurelian.
My son, it's your time to shine!
Roland Bailden, ready to challenge!
So, you're the most powerful mage among them.
To insult Aurelian is to invite death.
Useless cuss! Who's next to die?
These filthy barbarians! How dare they mock us on our own soil!
What exactly does he want?
Back when Lucian's mother was alive, Lucian was the capital's famous magical prodigy. But now, look at him. What a waste.
I see now, Your Majesty. It isn't the gold he's after, it's true authority.
True authority?
Lucian lost his mother early. He's been hiding his power, waiting for a chance. The Prince Consort is just a hollow title. Only real power can free him from Morgana and reveal the truth about his mother.
Power, then.
He should have just said so.
Today's victor shall be named Grand Mage of the Kingdom, granted lands, a seat on the Royal Council, and command of Royal Guard and Mage Corps.
That's even more powerful than my father. He's panicking. The King of Aurelian is rattled.
Offer all the rewards you want, they won't make it out alive. Not a soul in this arena is fit to shine Biarg's shoes.
Send them all! I'll gut every single one of them!
Your Majesty, do you stand by your word?
My word is law.
Well then. I guess it's my turn to play.
Father, Lucian's reputation is no secret. Sending him out there is an insult to the crown. It'll only heap more shame upon Aurelian.
Easy, Your Highness. Lucian could pull off a surprise.
A surprise? From him? Don't be absurd, Kale.
Have you lost your senses? Get back!
Don't worry, Father. I won't lose.
Isn't this the worst wasteler in Aurelian? Out of champions already. and you send this trash? Pathetic!
Lucian's so desperate to rise, he's gone insane, huh?
Lucian, get down! Don't embarrass Aurelian!
Another Valwen brat? Come on.
You really think you can challenge me? Ah!
He dodged it!
How's that possible?
So, is this all you've got?
No one's ever slipped away from Prince Bjorgen's Thunderhammer! Is this kid lucky or something? You!
For your glory, my king.
Lucian is amazing! Ha! That's my son!
قم بتنزيل ومشاهدة الحلقة الكاملة.